this tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate or delete Instagram account in just few easy steps. So let's start right here. From your Instagram's home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on these three lines, then click on Account Center, and from here scroll to the bottom and click on Manage Accounts. Now click on Manage beside your Instagram profile, and from here click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now if you want to delete your account, then select Delete Account, and if you want to deactivate your account, then select Deactivate Account and then click on Continue. Next steps will be the same for deletion or deactivation of account. Now click on Continue, and here you have to enter your Instagram's account password, then click on Continue. Now select any reason for deactivation or deletion of your account, then click on Continue and then again click on Continue. Now click on Deactivate Account, and if you are deleting your account, then Delete Account will appear here and you have to click on that and your account will be deleted or deactivated, and it will ask you to sign up or log in to other Instagram's account. That's it. So that's how you can deactivate or delete Instagram account in just few easy steps.